Hey, this is the Mathketeer, here to show you how to perform the order of operations. You need to remember PEMDAS, or parentheses exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. There's another good way to remember it. Also need to know that when performing multiplication and division, you always move from left to right. I have a few examples here to help illustrate. Number one, we have 3 times 6 divided by 2. So moving left to right, we have 3 times 6, which is 18. And 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Number 2, we have 24 divided by 6 multiplied by 2. Again, moving left to right, we do 24 divided by 6, which is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. Number 3, we have 4 plus 2 in parentheses squared divided by 3. So we do the parentheses first. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 squared divided by 3. We next do the exponents. 6 squared is 36. And 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12. In our final example, we have 3 squared plus 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. We first do the exponent. 3 squared is 9, and 9 plus 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. Next we perform division. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so now we have 9 plus 3 multiplied by 4. We now perform multiplication. 3 times 4 is 12. We have 9 plus 12, and our final answer is 21. So, you need to remember when performing multiplication and division that you move from left to right. Always do your parentheses and exponents first, multiplication and division next, and then addition and subtraction. I am the Mathketeer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Let me know what you think.